So, you thought exposure to cold would give you pneumonia, right? Oh well, I'm here to shock you. Now, some of you don't even know what pneumonia is. When someone has pneumonia, their lungs are filled with fluid or pus, and it makes it difficult for them to breathe. Now, I'm pretty sure most of you know that because when you see pneumonia patients, you see that they're always coughing and they find it difficult to breathe. Now, what some of you don't know is that pneumonia is an infection caused by a bacteria called pneumococcus and some viruses like influenza and SARS-CoV-2. Now, many of you will come for me and say, oh, but when I open my chest or when I don't wear things that cover me, I always feel chest pain and yada 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 yada. But let me tell you the truth. When you're exposed to cold, your lungs do extra work to try and make the air coming in warm. They try to humidify it. So they are prone to irritation and also getting inflamed. That is the reason behind that chest pain you feel when you're exposed to cold. And yes, cold can make you prone to some other infections. But if you don't have the microorganisms that cause pneumonia, trust me, you don't you don't have a chance of contacting pneumonia. I hope I'm making sense. So what are those things you shouldn't do? First, if you see someone coughing or they have flu-like symptoms, please keep some distance, social distancing. And please don't wear a face mask more than once. Those of you that wear face mask like 3-4 times, ha, ha, please oh. Now, the second point I would like to raise is personal hygiene. Please wash your hands, wash anything you touch, especially if you know you've been coughing, to protect yourself and even to protect others. And change your beddings. Like, I can't even overemphasize this because when you're sleeping, you don't know what you're doing, you're coughing. Any small thing you don't know, but these are microorganisms, and then you have a guest, oh hello, how are you, and then you just give the person abba. Now you don't do that, you don't, brother, sister. Personal hygiene, please. Now to my third point, those of you in relationships, please, you gotta be careful. If you know your partner is exhibiting flu-like symptoms, it's better to avoid them, avoid the kissing thing for that period of time because you don't actually know if they are infected. So it's better to be safe than sorry. Yes, I know they say in sickness and in health, but no one wants to be sick. Now, you guys, you see that pneumococcus, you know what's so dangerous about it? If it gets into your blood, it can travel to your brain and give you meningitis. I'm sure many of you know what meningitis is. So this is even just beyond pneumonia. Like, it would cause complications. So please be careful, be careful, be careful, be careful, be careful. This is actually a disclaimer. I'm not here to pronounce death sentence on anyone or to diagnose you. Please, if you don't feel well, go to the nearest health center or the nearest hospital. Seek medical attention, seek medical advice from a certified medical doctor, and get treated, please. This video is solely meant for health education and promotion. I remain Irene Okoke, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!